All right, so this is a CBL journal that I created in the app on the iPad called Numbers, which is awesome because everyone in CISD has access to this app. It does not require Wi-Fi or a login, so it just works independently on their iPads. This would be a place for the learners to collect all of their thoughts throughout their entire CBL journey and put everything in one place. So there are tabs for each step of the process, and I used shapes to create this graphic organizer in order to help the learners think through the different pieces. In each one of these pieces, they can add links to other outside resources. They can embed their own media. They can have everything in one place. So this is what I'm proposing as maybe a possible starting off point, or maybe we can, this will inspire something else for a CBL journal for our learners.